Hello, all of you. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. And if you lose, you can guide. Swami Vivekananda, one of India's greatest spiritual leaders, once said that education is not amount of information we put into your mind and runs rate that undigest all your life. You must have a man making, life building, character making, and inspirations of ideas. If you have five insulated ideas, then make your life and character, then you have more education than who man has uh, got by heart whole library. So my heartiest greetings of honorable professors, respected colleagues, and my dear friends, myself Ronak Kavaiya. Today I am here speak about the greatest spiritual leader of India, Swami Vivekananda. We can call Swami Vivekananda the powerhouse of energy, self-confidence, spirituality, resolve, power, and the energy of thoughts. Not only India, but the whole world's energy from him. Swami Vivekananda showed the seeds of self-eminent, self-confidence, self-respect, and independent in mind of people of India. He taught the people of India to love their nations. Swami Vivekananda's real name was Narendranath Datta and was born on 12th January 1893 in Calcutta. His father, Vishwanath Datta, was an attorney in Kolkata High Court. He was from highly educated family and was gifted child, high thinking, intelligent mind, and strong willpower. His mother, Bhuvneshwari Devi, was devout housewife, but his mother played an important role in shaping his thinking and personality. From a very early age, he used to meditate for longer time. The greatest achievement of Swami Vivekananda's life was that he made the world realize to the power of India. Swami Vivekananda was a genius man who had the full knowledge of Vedas. His precious knowledge proved him to be the greatest man in history of India. We are talking about Swami Vivekananda's life. We don't even mention his guru, Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans. It's not done. Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans was an unmatched guru. Sri Vivekananda was a wonderful disciple. Here Guru used to win heart. Guru was live in heart, and his devotee disciples Vivekananda used to have wisdom. This pair was very unique match, and it's make so special pair. In the era when Swami Vivekananda was at his life speech, India was slave of Britishers. At that time, he addressed young generation India by saying that arise, awake, and stop not until the your goal achieved. In the year 1913, the world's first parliament of religions was held in Chicago. At that time, Swami Vivekananda gave us a wonderful speech with starting these words as brothers and sisters of America, which surprised whole world, and you would love to know that the 7,000 people at the time listening this word stood up and played applause about for 2 minutes and also complimented Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda in 1913, after many centuries, proved India new shining from of India. Swami Vivekananda was a victorious personality. He was such a great personality that even today I am talking about him. My words are falling short. Swami Vivekananda devoted his whole life for people, encouraged the people with positive energy. But at last he said goodbye to the world at very early age of 39 on 4th July 1902. But the great man never died because that thought never died. That thought always remained alive. Swami Vivekananda is an inspiration for the youth of today. He is present idol for us. Example to this is that today in India, his birth anniversary celebrated as the National Youth Day. At last, I would like to salute Swami Vivekananda and his thought. May his thought always remain important in our next 100 generation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.